Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we break down trending online products and expose scams so you don't waste your hard-earned money. Today we're reviewing a product that's popping up all over social media, the Neslemy Winter Pro, also known as the LED turbo blower. Is it really the winter solution they claim, or just another clever marketing trap? Let's find out. The Neslemy Winter Pro ads promise a long list of impressive features. Instant warm airflow, LED display for easy control, energy-saving technology, turbo blower performance, and of course, the bold claim, stay warm anywhere this winter. Sounds like a mini powerhouse heater, right? But claims alone don't prove quality. When I started digging into the product and the website selling it, a few red flags appeared immediately. No clear company details. There's no transparent information about the manufacturer or customer support. Over-exaggerated marketing. The description uses dramatic phrases that don't match typical portable heaters. Stock images. The photos used on their website are commonly seen on multiple generic heater listings. No verified customer reviews. The reviews displayed look copy-pasted and lack real user experience. Whenever a website hides basic information and overpromises, it's usually not a good sign. After comparing this product with similar gadgets and checking real user discussions, here's what most people reported. The heater is much smaller than shown in ads. It provides very limited heat output, barely enough for a small personal space. Several users complained that the LED display looks nice, but doesn't improve the heating performance. Some said the product makes noise, and the airflow isn't strong at all. In many cases, customers received different models that didn't match the promotional pictures. So overall, the performance doesn't justify the hype. Let's get straight to the point. If you're expecting a powerful room-warming turbo blower heater, this is not the product for you. It feels more like a rebranded, low-cost mini heater being sold at a premium price. You can easily find better-built heaters from trusted brands for the same or even lower price. So, is the Neslemy Winter Pro LED turbo blower worth buying? In my opinion, no. It leans more toward a waste of money than a real winter heating solution. That wraps up my honest review of the Neslemy Winter Pro LED turbo blower. If you've bought this product, share your experience in the comments. It helps others stay informed. And before you buy anything online, make sure to check out other reviews on Online Scam Advisor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more scam alerts and product truth checks, and stay safe online. Thank you.